we'll have a look into the MEP-3355. It is a memo format which uses the broadly compression algorithm for compressing the data. Here we see how the data will be provided in the memo in a JSON format, and here we see the required and optional fields in these JSON field. So of course we need the format description, we need the version number, so the right smart contract is interacting. Then we can provide metadata, which is an optional field, and then for sure the data, which will be the compressed data in the broadly algorithm. Yeah, and here we can see how the data would look like when it's not compressed. Each line would represent one separate data point. So for this I wrote once the sensor data here, which will be compressed here and then printed out, and we also have a size comparison which will use the bytes of the compressed data and also the bytes of the not compressed data, and will show it to us in the print statement. And by this we are able to see how good this broadly algorithm will work to be able to provide data directly to an LLM and let the LLM use these data, work with it, and give us insights it gets from these data.